Understanding closet lighting, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, closet lighting. This phrase might sound simple, but it has a specific context in English. Let's dive in and illuminate this topic. Closet lighting refers to the light fixtures used inside a closet. A closet is a small, enclosed space in a house or apartment, primarily used for storing clothes, shoes, and other personal items. The term, lighting, in this context means the arrangement or type of lights used in that space. Good closet lighting is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in visually identifying and selecting clothes. Without proper lighting, colors and details of clothing can be hard to distinguish. Secondly, it adds an aesthetic value to the closet, making it more pleasant and appealing. Lastly, it ensures safety, as a well-lit closet reduces the risk of accidents, like tripping over objects. There are various types of closet lighting, each serving a different purpose. The most common types include 1. LED lights, energy efficient and long-lasting, ideal for consistent use. 2. Motion sensor lights, turn on automatically when movement is detected, great for convenience. 3. Rod lights, installed along the closet rod, providing direct lighting for clothes hanging below. 4. Recessed lights, fixed into the ceiling or shelves, offering a sleek and modern look. When installing closet lighting, it's important to consider safety and practicality. Always ensure that lights are installed by a professional or according to safety standards. Keep in mind the heat emission from lights, and choose fixtures that do not generate excessive heat to avoid damage to clothes or the closet's interior. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of closet lighting and its importance in our daily lives. Remember, a well-lit closet not only makes choosing outfits easier but also enhances the overall look and feel of your personal space. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.